I am going to the last sleeper train in Hokkaido. Hopefully I can get an all-you-can-ride ticket for summer vacation. But even if it's not there, I'm still gonna ride all the trains. They can't stop me. Train and trains, let's go.
All seats on this train are reserved.
First time spending that kind of money for a train ticket. So this is my first time using the JR pass.
Express bound for Hakodate. Sapporo, Minami-Chitose, Tonokomai, Shiraoi, Nobori-Betsu, Higashi-Urona, Datemonbetsu, Toya, Oshabambe, Yakumo, Mori, Onura-Koen, Shinkaku, Koryokaku, and the Hakodate terminal. Please stay on the train until the final stop, Hakodate Station.
Just finished the train ride to Hakodate Station. Saw some new trains. Maybe I'll wander around Hakodate a bit before I go to my sleeper train car hotel. Soaking in the sea vibes, waiting for the train, excited for the next leg of the journey. It was nice stopping and just breathing in the sea air and getting the vibes for the first time, because I've seen it on a map a bunch of times, but it's nice seeing it for real. I think the train's gonna go along those mountains, and then maybe behind that, I hear a little... Look at that, we got squids. We're squidding it. I've never seen a squid in a tank. Whoa. Get squidded, man. Whoa. Get squidded. Woo! They're trying to eject with a certain angle that is a little bit questionable. Yup. 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 Oh, loading up. Boom. What an Hakodate experience. We got a roundhouse kick, squids ejecting, and now I'm riding the red train, so I'm vibing. Let's go to Moheji, to the last sleeper train in Hokkaido.
Moheji です。この列車はワンマン運転です。
We're at little Moheji Station, apparently where the sleeper train is. It's in the middle of nowhere, so hopefully the money I gave the internet is actually real. Was it a vibe riding that railway. I love riding those older trains with the diesel and the windows open. It was amazing riding through a new rural place. This looks like it. Limited Express, there you go. Yeah, this is a tiny town. Oh, there it is. Now the question is, can I really sleep in it? I paid the money, so hopefully it's a yes, but this place looks like a ghost town. So I got the keys, but now I'm not exactly sure where I'm supposed to go. Now, I don't know if it's here. The phone's ringing. I don't know if that's for me. I filled out the form. Well, there's A. B. So then is my thing over here? Look at those clouds though, but here's the car. I think I'm supposed to be in here, but it is a little confusing. Whoa! Can you believe I'm getting on an old-fashioned sleeper train? This is something. Alright, well what does this say? When entering or leaving, make sure to fasten the door. Inspect sprays in the bathroom. Alright, well, thank you. Well, LFG. Oh, do we put the key in? I feel like a heist. Oh. Alright, we got our little slippies. We got a sink. Ooh, it's cool in here. Ooh, it's a bit toasty. This was the sleeper train. We got some switches. They don't work, but don't want to break it, right? Oh, the shade. Does the window open? Because it's kind of hot here. Alright. Alright, we got a charge. We got our view here. And now, what a view for the last sleeper train in Hokkaido. So, it is a bit toasty in here. Man, what a retirement for a train car. Like a little hotel in this little lovely place. Too bad I couldn't ride you, but man, I'm doing the next best thing. And I rode one of your brothers along the way, and man, that was a vibe. Like this bridge is begging for me to walk across it. What could be on the other side? This feels like a little exploratory mission. Like that guy roundhouse kicked those police officers, man. Like, look, we got the forest and then a boat in the ocean. Like, this is prime. Yeah, this stream air feels really nice. And I guess it's ocean air too. And there's the train. Whoa. That's training trains. I guess we're walking up this trail. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Now that's a spider. Don't get me in your web. Whoa. I don't know if I want to keep going after that. Maybe that's just a sign to turn around. All right, brother. We'll go back down. And there is Aomori in the background. That's where we're going. But that ferry's going to Aomori too.
Please take a boarding ticket. This train is bound for Hakodate.
All right, well, we just finished sleeping in the sleeper train. Met some nice people that helped me with the next stop of the way. But it was amazing sleeping in the old train. I'm not exactly sure how I am on time moving, but man, was it cool staying in the last sleeper train in Hokkaido. So how the setup was that there were two rooms. They are the same number. So one is more of a storage room that is more of a private sleeper room. You sleep in the other room. But I'm going to check the time and see if that's better. I need to hit the station soon to get to the next station. But man, it was really cool staying in the sleeper train. It went all the way from Tokyo to Sapporo. It was like you were in a little museum, a little time machine. It was really cool. The one downside was that the light was on the whole time, but there were draw curtains, so that kind of made it okay. With sleeper trains, the bed isn't the best, but I mean, it's all for the vibe, so. And man, what was it a vibe to ride on this train? And in the sightseeing room, there are two old men that helped me with the next stage of my journey. The next video is going to be on the big tunnel from Hokkaido to Honshu, and it's one of the biggest tunnels in the world, and that's the next video. So now it's time to hit the little station in this middle of nowhere town. But man, is it like the perfect resting place for this train. There's a mountain, a creek, and the ocean, and it is like the perfect like place for this train to rest, where a bunch of train fans come in and relax. The next video, I'm gonna ride the train, like there's like a little train into the tunnel. So it's just going to be that whole experience. And the nice people in the train helped me get the logistics from the little Shinkansen station to the top of the island where the museum is. So I'm very thankful for that. But I might have to, but man, was it cool being here. And it's almost time to hit the next station. So train and trains. The rain picked up, but we are on our way to the station. Waiting for the train. It's gonna come in about 8 minutes, but there's nothing there. There's no convenience stores, there's a vending machine, so I walked all the way to the next station just looking for something to eat. Nothing. So if you're coming there, make sure to pack some food and stuff like that. But this time, it is very much like you have to make it here, you have to go somewhere new that you don't know any of the shots. So it's cool just exploring and trying to figure out new shots on the go. And it's like you only get this one chance, and oh God, I gotta get going. So speaking about one chance, it's time to pack up and let's go.